if I'm testing the brand new Ford Everest, the one you have all been waiting for. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the new Ford Everest, there are Isofix in the two outer second row seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. And there are top tether anchorages on the back of all three second row seats, and they are really nice and easy to connect to. Now, I can easily fit 3 Infasecure child seats across this second row. I've got 2 Attain Mores here, one forward facing and one rear facing, and the versatile folding booster seat in the other seat. Now, in the third row, there are no Isofix, but there are top tether anchorages on the back of both of those seats, just underneath the flap in the boot there. Now, really nicely, I could get 2 child seats back there too. I've got the Aspire More and the Achieve More both forward facing. Now, legroom is quite good in here too. You can move the second row seats nice and easily forwards and backwards, and they're split on a 60-40, so you can distribute the legroom as you need to. And we found with 2 forward-facing child seats in the back there and with a rear-facing child seat in the second row, we could fit a 180cm passenger in the front. Now, for third row access in the Everest, it's best if you put a removable booster seat or leave one of the seats empty, because you can't move the second row seat forward with a child seat installed here. So I found with a versatile folding booster seat here, it was nice and easy to move that and then bring this single second row seat forward to give you really good access through to the third row. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the new Ford Everest is really good. In the third row, there is a cup holder on both sides that will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. And on the left-hand side, there's a really nice long space that's great for holding an iPad or a book or something like that. In the second row, there's a fold down in the central seat back. That's got 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There's mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They'll hold and conceal an iPad. And the door bins are a really good size back here. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and a wallet or something fits in there too. There are air vents in the ceiling in both rear rows of seats, which is fantastic for keeping everybody the right temperature in the back here. There are also ceiling lights, which are really nice and easy for people to reach, handles in the second row and hooks in the third row. You can also control the rear aircon from the front media screen, which is really nice and handy for parents. Storage in the front of the new Ford Everest is really good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. And there's a pop-out cup holder at either end of the dashboard. These are my favourites. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup too. Now, there's also a chip holder in here too. There's a wireless phone charging pad in front of the central console as well, and you've got USB and USB-C sockets in there too. Now, the central console box is a really nice big size in here, and it's got a little shelf in the top. There are 2 glove boxes in the Everest, which is fantastic, really good for holding iPad and wallet, and you can get your sunglasses and wipes and anything else you want in there. There's also a sunglasses holder in the ceiling, which is fantastic. Door bins in the front are a really good size. They'll hold a large water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. The boot of the new Everest opens really nice and easily and electronically and nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When using all 7 seats, it will hold 7 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 1 shopping bag, a tandem pram and no shopping bags, a single pram and 1 shopping bag, or a compact stroller and 4 shopping bags, or a small dog. When using only 5 seats, it will hold 18 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 9 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 10 shopping bags, a single pram and 11 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 15 shopping bags, or an extra large dog. The new Everest is really nice to drive. It's really agile and manoeuvrable for such a big car, and it feels really nice and light to steer. The turning circle's really good, which is fantastic for a big car. Visibility is good in here. Even with 5 child seats in the back, I've still got a little bit of visibility out of the back, and the side mirrors are really nice and large, and luckily the cameras are really good in here. The media system in the new Everest has this fantastic large portrait screen, which is a really good update, and it has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. Now you can go in and change and customize a lot of the settings in here, which is really nice too. And you can access everything through this screen as well. But one of the things we've really liked with our family is this sketch game. So you can write, and the kids can draw in here while you're waiting for school pickup and things like that, which has been really good fun. Now, when you put it into reverse, the cameras are really fantastic in here, really nice and easy to use with really good visibility, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off easily with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Ford Everest, you can get those 5 child seats really comfortably in the back, and access to the third row is good if you're clever with which seats you put in what position. Legroom is good throughout, and you can get that twin pram in the boot. The media system is great now, and the drive is good too.